Welcome to the Investment Process Channel. I am C3 Christopher Campbell. This is a channel where we teach people how to create generational wealth through trading. Let's get into the week. This is week 26 of the trading plan. We're going to be trading NAS, gold, and oil. Let's get into it. Okay, this is NAS. Double check. It's our daily. We had a breakout last week. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Yeah. Excuse me, we had a breakout the week before. Looks like it's cleaned up this imbalance. We wanted to go back to here before continuing up, but NAS has its own mind. So we will be looking for it to come back into this area here. Let's go to the weekly plan. Okay, here's NAS again. Monthly bullish. Weekly, we had two bullish weekly candles here. Inverse hammer for last week. Again, we had this little pushback last week daily. I'm gonna say this is still our range here. Here to here. That's our range now. Again, looking hopefully get some action here to look at. Looking to get some action down to here. I gotta pull it back some. Got this daily. So can't see it. Sorry, close enough. Looking for get back into this imbalance here. So we're gonna look for price to come back into this area. We saw it come back and clean this up. Again, looking at the weekly inverse hammer. Looking at that inverse hammer. Price coming back into this area is a good idea. Let's see, weekly here, clean up, a little bit of gap there. I'm really hoping this week the price get back into this area here. So and again, what is NAS showing is showing bullish. So I'm looking for price to come back into this area so we can get a position, buy position. End of the month, so chance of that candle turning around is slim and none. But understand that price has to come back here at some point in time, hopefully sooner than later, to get a good position for a long hold. Long hold maybe 3-4 days for me, but that would be awesome. That'd be awesome. Okay, let's go over here to gold. Gold. Let's go to the dailies. Gold's pretty much again moving sideways. It's the spiral here is getting tighter and tighter. It's going to do something, but again, overall, I think we're looking at gold being bullish. Weekly bearish. Hit that. So it's bearish this month. We have these like long wicks here for the previous months. Gold may be coming back to clean up these imbalances for those previous months. Then gold took off weekly. Got candles with no wicks here. Yeah, just again. All right, let's do the trading plan. Okay, so it's how I always start from scratch each week. I like to see things with fresh eyes. I don't like to come in with preconceived notions of the market. So I do the same thing every day. I start the monthly and work my way back to see where price is now, currently at this time frame. So again, this is like roughly the last week of June, and go for there. So again, got a bearish candle. It's right in the middle. Likelihood of, well, I don't know. It could just turn into a doji, but let's go to the weekly. Again, again, overall, that coil is just getting tighter. We got what they call sideways action right now. Price moving between these 2 points. It's, it's getting smaller, smaller. But we had a new high, and we had a higher high. We have a lower high right here, and vice versa. Yeah, higher low and lower low. This is on a weekly. Let's go down to the daily and see if we can get some action for price to break. So unless we get a close below here, let's look at what is it. Let's go here. 22.93. Looking for a close below there. I'm looking for it to pull back and then continue down. I wouldn't. Well, you can still trade in this range here, this daily range. But it looks like it's getting smaller and smaller. But just understand that if you trade in that, taking on a lot of risk. Depends on how you enter. But you have this imbalance here on the 4-hour that it needs to clean it up last week. Probably get away with, a nice 3-to-1 right here. Clean up that candle with no wick. Today's doing its thing. When this will clean up, it might clean up overnight. So just keep your eye on it. Again, I'll be looking for a close below 22.93 before I get position. Then I know it's more than likely going to pull back and then take out that low that we were just looking at. It's on the daily. So yeah, we were looking at these lows here on the daily. This one here. Got support here. Might come all the way back down here, but no, we got support here. And this is why I say we got support here, here. So yeah, look for price. Again, need to close below there for me to see it to continue to go down. Last week of the month, just want to kind of be leery. So we just got this week. Monday will be the start of the new month. So these last 5 days, I don't see. Like I said, it might turn into a doji, but I don't see. I don't know. It could turn around and just end up with a small bullish candle, but that's because price is so tight. And only way that'll happen is like if it just comes up here to clean up this imbalance. So, but that's the plan. I need to close below 22.93 to get position, and I'm waiting for price to pull back and then get a short position, a sell position. Down to here. Oh, no, that's too far. This will be my TP1 2200. So, all right. Let's go to oil. Oil. Did me dirty. Thought we was getting a turnaround. Turned me around. And for daily, again, sideways action, same as gold. Weekly, yeah. This is our range. All oil did was move within this range. It did break a high. Again, we were looking for price, to come to that area, and did. Did it make to 82.38? No, but cleaned up that imbalance. That's how I got stopped out. No, it was this one here. My bad. What are we doing? Okay. So again, a lot of sideways action. We do have a new high, so let's take a look at the plan for the week. Okay, oil. Again, sideways action. Overall, oil, is bearish trending. Let's take a look at these other candles. messing with these candles for a minute. So, okay. These are averages, so don't get too confused. These candles are average candles, so they're not the actual close, actual open. So this shows averagely where price was within that candle. So and then monthly, looks like we have for overall for oil, it's bearish right now. So I'm still gonna be looking for a short position. Um, Candles, yep, short position. Actually, this is kind of perfect. Let's go down. See, here we are. Somebody was playing around last week. That's what that was. Oh no, is this week? Yep. Orders over the weekend came in. So I'm gonna come back and fill up this gap before it does anything else. Uh, Might be a little quick pips. That's weekly, daily. It's weekly. We just started out strong, huh? Put that down to the weekly candle. Weekly gap. Okay, daily. I don't get it, man. I'm missing something today, guys. This is the daily. Oh, this is what I'm looking. I'm looking at the wrong thing here. Let me put make this nice vertical line here. All right, here we go, daily. So here was that gap up. Prices come back into this area here before continuing up. If it continues up again, overall, oil has been bearish. This month has been bullish. Um, Being that it's the end of the month, though, I don't know. I don't know. Skip position now. Hmm, might be worth it. I don't know. Let's see what it is. What's the pivot? The points. 1, 7. That's a 1-1. Um, Depending on how you enter it. So this is daily. This is daily. Let's go down to let's go to the hour. Yeah. Depending on how you enter it. Let's say we get a pullback to this area here on this 1 hour. And then continue down. Then we set our stop loss here. This is 0.7. I need some more 0.7, 0.8. We need to switch to 4 hours. Yeah. Well, that's the gap there. Yeah. Daily. Let me do it like this. Get a short position from this here. And we're looking at 0.8. To 2.4, so that's a 1 to 3 at that point. So this is how you see that you can change the situation from a 1 to 1 to a 3 to 1, depending on your entry point, right? So you enter on a level that you're comfortable, and go back to what I just said. So if you're looking at a 4-hour or daily, so even a 4 hour is telling you this is where you need to be getting your entry point at, and setting your stop loss back here. Then you look at the daily. Daily's like, oh, you get in where you fit in right here. Set your stop loss back here and write it down here. That's a 1 to 1 for your daily. You look at the 4-hour, boom, boom, 3 to 1. Look at your hour, boom, boom, 3 to 1. So, yep, that's the plan. Looking to get a sell position to come down to here. Again, end of the month. Don't know that it's going to come all the way back down here because we got a whatever this is. Oof. I don't like when my candles come in weird. Okay, yeah. Overall, we got a bullish candle. I don't see it turning around. Then we still need a pullback for next month. So I don't know. This week would have to be awful convincing. Like it would have to come to that area, and I have a confirmation on a 4-hour that it's going to turn back around. So I wanted to hit here on an hourly. So when I say 4-hour, like it had like price has to come back to this area for 4 on a 4-hour. I have to see reject from this area. Then I need a hour close. Get my hour close candles next side by side. Then I'll probably hop in after that first hour. After that. So okay. That's the plan. I don't see oil going bullish anymore. Yeah. Yipper. This imbalance way up here. Don't see it. Don't see it. That's on a 4-hour. Yeah, let me see the daily. Daily, I think it's already been cleared up. Really. Had a little bit more room to run. So yeah, that's why I said I need a confirmation. It might be taken back off and getting to that point. If that's the case, this is daily. I still would like a pullback into this area before taking off. But this may be the cleanup right now. So we'll see what today's candle does. And if it makes it to 82.39, excellent. Then I'll be looking for confirmation, to sell from that position instead. Right now, oil has been approaching these imbalances and cleaning them up. So might be some opportunity just to ride it to 82.39 and then get a short position after we get confirmation. So I think that's the better plan. Unless we see a break structure here. This is daily. Unless we see a break this structure here. Unless we see a break structure here. $80.28. Then you need to get a sell position. So other than that, probably looking for it to continue on up to 82.40. Again, this is the investment process channel where we teach people how to create generational wealth. This is week 25, week 26 of the trading plan for NAS, oil, and gold. You guys have a great trading week. Leave a comment, like, and subscribe.